All right, guys, thanks for checking in. Today, it's April 22nd. We got a halfway decent day. The winter has not let up in Pennsylvania. But we've been outside doing some yard work and we've been doing some mulching and stuff like that. So I decided we're going to just cook outside on the brick rocket stove. There's a video how to build that. I don't use it as much as I should. I mean, I use it a lot in the summertime, but I want to start using that thing more in the wintertime. But anyway, here's what we're going to be doing. All right, right here, we got some burgers. There's some cheddar burgers. We sprinkled some garlic jalapeno on it. And we've also sprinkled some McCormick's Smokehouse Maple on it. You can see right there. And again, we're going to use our outdoor pan. And we're going to cook it in some olive oil. And we're going to cook it over the rocket stove. So stick around, watch the video. All right, here's our stove. If you've checked out the other video, you've seen this stove before. But we're gonna get her lit. What I use is, my wife uses Sensi's. I dip cotton balls into the wax and I use that. It just makes life so much easier. I've already preloaded this with some twigs, literally twigs from around my yard. I mean, just twigs around my yard. So we're gonna get this thing fired up and watch it burn. Just gonna light that up. Just slide her back in there. And that will get rolling. Get them twigs on top rolling. And then we'll get some good flame going. You can already see smoke coming out the top. And won't be long, we'll have some good burgers cooking on this. So, let's get some. Again, I'm just using these little twigs, man. I am not kidding you. These are just twigs I have found in the yard. This thing is so efficient. All right, we'll let that get heated up and then we'll get some burgers on it. All right, as you can see, let's fix this. All right, as you can see, we got some flames coming up out of there. By the way, today's beverage is a hazy morning IPA. Perfect for a spring day. So, all right. Here's a pan. Get it on there. If you haven't built one of these stoves, you really need to. I am not kidding you. That's flame coming from yard scraps. Alrighty. Let's get a burger in there. Oh, look at that. Boy, here, let's have a look down here too. Twigs. There's the stove. Alright, would you look at this spatula? You can chop down the damn tree with this thing. Right? This is my outdoor spatula, buddy. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. Have a look at it. Look at that flame. Same amount of twigs that I've had in there. I built this thing probably 4 years ago, and I'm telling you, it is just an awesome cooking tool. It really is. Oh man, that cheddar burger is melted nicely. And what you do in order to, you still got flame coming out of it, it's plenty hot enough, but you just get, I just keep a little bucket full of twigs, and then you just feed it in. Let me grab the camera, and I just take, feed the twigs in. Sorry about the jostle, but it's about you seeing what's going on. And I just feed them in here. I mean, literally, you just clean up around your yard, and you fill it up, and you cook a meal. All right, back up top. Again, I'm sorry about the jostle around, but I just want to make sure you can see it. And you can also take some bigger pieces and just drop it down into the top, and that will make it burn hotter as well. Yes, sir. And you can't have no cooking without this. It's a hazy summer. This is from Rivertown Brewing, not sponsored. Rivertown Brewing. It's a hazy morning IPA, and yeah, man, this thing is pretty good. So if you want to try this out, good one to have. All right. Get a little smoky. We got the smoky flavor, and we got a little smoky fire going in there. Look at that. You see the flames? Twigs, man. Twigs, gentlemen and ladies. First thing you need to do when the zombies come, build this stove. That's no lie. Build that stove. Great value olive oil. Because we're trying to live the healthy life. Alright. Look at that flame, still going. Incredible. I actually cooked a pot of corn on this thing. Fed some Twix in there. Boiled a whole big pot of corn one time during the cookout. You don't need bottles. You don't need charcoal. You just use twigs. I'm telling you. Build you one of these. See that? All the heat is focused straight up onto that pan. All right, we got the next two burgers in there already. This ain't a damn Great Value commercial. Look at that. I don't know if you can still see the heat coming off of this. Same amount of wood. I haven't put any more wood on it. I have more than enough wood in there to cook these 4 hamburgers I'm doing. Isn't that incredible? Yeah. Pretty cool. Let me show you what we got in here flame wise. Going on. Oh yeah. You want to see this? Bring this around here. Just red hot. Cooking a meal with some sticks. Oh, these are gonna be good. Don't have the flame sticking up there, but we still do have heat. And let me show you from this angle as well. You can do this without burning my phone up. See that hot down there? Is that showing? Yeah. Alright. Get this back on there. Seriously, build yourself one. Great stove. This is the 16 brick rocket stove. Check out the video. It's on my link. It's on my channel. I built it a while ago. Go look for that video when you're done this one. Wait till you're done this one, and then go see how to build this thing. All right. Let me push some sticks up in here. Use every bit of it. I ain't gonna put any more wood in there. I'm just going to use what we got there. All right, we'll see this on the plate. All right, there you go. We got some rice, some stewed tomatoes. Look how green that broccoli is. Burgers, cook on the rocket stove. Still got some hazy morning. Get ready to grind it up. Thanks for checking out the video, guys.